It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday with Sunday Dawn and all the other ladies that do tiny tidies on Tuesday. So our tiny tidy is kind of a mighty tiny, because we're taking down the planters that are around our house and we have to clean the mess up. The planters were where there's no siding, and we have all this lovely mess to clean up. And that's what they look like when they're partly taken down. So we're just going to keep working on this, and we'll get rid of all those bushes back there too. So we're just going to keep going. David's ripping things apart, and I'm hauling things off in my wagon. Okay, we got this planter just about out, and we have all this treated wood. It's to go in a different pile. Might use it for something. That gives quite a bit of room off the deck. And we still have this area, but it's hot out, so we're quitting. We're quitting. So, there's a lot of room in there. I'm hoping we can put our shed in there. So, like I said, it's a mighty tidy. I'm going to end up with a whole pile of dirt, which is cool. I can build my gardens with. And this has come in handy. I made about 6 trips to the van with that full of wood. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to look at my tomato. I think I'll leave it another couple days. Let it get riper. And I got lots of tomatoes on this one little plant. It's wonderful. And more coming. And my lettuce is doing good. I'm going to cut some of that and have some of that for supper. Well, I'd like to thank everybody on the Tiny Tidy team. And this was my Tiny Tidy for this week. And I'd especially like to thank Sunday Dawn, who hosts this every week and puts up all the Tiny Tidies. And her channel is The Helpful Home. And there's still stuff to do, but it's coming along. We got the beds down, just got to get that last board down. And we still have a few things to haul away, pile the dirt up. But anyhow, this is what we got done in the last couple of days for my Tiny Tidy. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And watch all the other Tiny Tidies. That'll be listed in my comments. And if you haven't subscribed to their channels, subscribe to their channels too, please. Anyhow, thanks again, Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. And I'll see you all next Tuesday. Or if you like my videos, you can watch me on Thursday for Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. Okay, thanks again. Bye.